So before I had Bertie, the mountains were a place for me to sort of take on challenges, I suppose. My name's Helen and I live just at the bottom of Snowdon.
Snowdon is the most popular mountain in the UK, so there's around 650,000 people who go up Snowdon every year.
The magic of running is that you can squeeze a large amount of mileage into a small amount of time.
My name's Helen and I'm the Senior Warden for Snowdonia National Park. We really want people to come to Snowdonia to enjoy the mountains.
If I'm taking Bertie with me, I'll pick a shorter route which is less exposed, and I'm always prepared to turn back. He doesn't really like to spend more than an hour out. Yes, the most important thing is to check the weather. Even on a sunny day, like, you know, I mean in the summer, you might think, oh, it's really nice, but if you don't check the weather, then you're not going to know, you know, what you're sort of letting yourself in for. The thing about the weather in the mountain is it just changes very quickly. It's really unpredictable, so it's really important to be prepared with all your kit, just in case.
The essential equipment that you need to think about taking with you into the mountains are waterproofs, spare layers, a map, a compass, a whistle, a torch, a mobile phone.
When I'm running, I take the same kit as when I'm walking.
It's really important that you plan your route really carefully before you go out onto the mountains. So have a really good plan of what route you're going to take and have a backup plan if the weather turns, and make sure that you've got a really good map that you can read of that route. Choose a route that everybody in your group is going to enjoy. So think about their abilities and their level and make sure that the route choice is appropriate to that.
I'm not always focused on getting to the summit. The main thing is to have fun and come back safely.